Hello friends, this is Peter from Tech Analyst. Welcome to my channel. Those are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Just below this video you will find a subscribe button. Those who are already watching my videos, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe and also hit on a bell icon so that any video has been uploaded, you will never miss those videos. And do not forget to share this to your trading friends. Definitely I hope they will get benefited through these videos. Okay, now we'll start a video. Today's topic is how we took trade, on what basis we took trade, and what basis we are given a trade in our Telegram channel today. Okay, we took a trade today based on double top. So what is double top? Double top is nothing but first and second again hit at the same resistance point. This is a double top. Okay, this double top will form in all the time frame, it may form. Okay, after double top it may reject from here and come down somewhere. If it have some support in this point, again from it may bounce back and break out. This is called a cup with handle pattern. I am not going to go in depth about the cup with handle, maybe double top, how it form, why it form, okay, and why it get rejected on that point. These videos I will be sharing in the coming days. But today, how we took trade, why we took trade, in spite of particular stock was spiking up. It has spiked up around 75 points up, but we took a sell trade in this. Why? I am going to show that. I am just opening the trade view chart. Today we have traded with Hero Motocop. Okay, we traded with Hero Motocop. This I am going to show you. I'll open Hero Motocop. Now just I'll show you. You can see here, this has broken this swing. Maybe you can take this also. Okay, it has broken and closed in all the time frame, and many retail trader might have been entered at this point and ended up with a loss. Okay, but in spite of breaking the previous swing high, why we took a sell trade, this I am going to show you. Okay, and lot of candlestick reading and lot of parameter also we saw. Based on that only we took a trade and given a trade in the Telegram channel and made a good profit in this. Okay, now I'll change this to daily time frame. Okay, we do a multi time frame analysis before taking a trade. We should get confirmation in the all the time frame on all the time frame, then we try to initiate a trade on that particular trade. Okay, why I am sharing all those things? Because you will get lot of knowledge through these points and you may take in your own or without depending on the calls. For that reason I am sharing all these things. Okay, now I'll go with 1 day time frame. Yes, we have came to 1 day time frame. Okay, you can see the stock is spiking upside. It is in the uptrend from around 1450. It has gone to 3378 something. Okay, 78 90 something. It was in the uptrend. In spite of the uptrend, we took a sell trade. That is the main reason I wanted to explain in this video. Okay, now we came to in daily chart. Yes, we have come into a daily time frame chart. Okay, you can see here a top was formed and here today the top was formed. Okay, the two top has been formed. This is a double top pattern, what I was telling you all. This there is a top, there is a top. Okay, this double top, and you can see here the continue. Here it has taken a resistance in this two area, and here it has taken a support, here it has taken a support, and here it has taken a support, here it has taken a support, here it has taken a resistance. Okay, so there is a strong support and resistance. Those who are not seen my candles, my how to draw support and resistance video, you can just click on the I button and see that video. For your knowledge, you will get lot of knowledge out in that. When the support gets both either support and resistance, it became very strong. Okay, so in the daily time frame it formed a continuous rejection we saw here. Okay, now we'll go to a weekly time frame. Yes, you can see in the weekly time frame also, here there is a rejection, here there is a continue rejection. Okay, here you can see a rejection, here you can see a rejection, and here you can see a rejection, continue rejection in this area till here. Okay, so this is, you can see clearly support, and it takes support, it took resistance in the same area multiple times. This is around 2016. You can see here the time frame is 2016 2017. From that year it is taking till now on the same place, support and resistance. Okay, that is what I generally say, the history repeats. You can see my candlestick pattern chart video also, I'll put in my I button. Okay, right. Now we'll go to a 15 minutes time frame, why we took trade in this, I'll show you that. Okay, now why we took a trade in this. After double pot top, generally it will fall and form a cup with handle pattern. Okay, after further it is continue falling, it will fall. Okay, otherwise it will take a cup with handle pattern and break the neck and go up continuously. Okay, but why we took a trade in this point, I'll explain you. Now the candlestick pattern, candlestick chart, how to read the candlestick chart, that comes in. You need to see my candlestick chart video, that is also I'll put in my I button. Okay, now see here, after the breakout, here you can see undecision candle, this is undecision candle spinning top. After undecision candle, see buyer took in this candle from here, buyer took up. Okay, so buyer after came into a double top. Okay, after it come into a double top, they have put pause on this area because they don't have confidence further to take this price above this, because they thought this is the fair price, this is a higher price, so they did not took the price above, and seller started taking control in this candle. There is undecision, when seller saw there is undecision in the buyer, undecision with the buyer in this candle, seller took a control and brought this price till here. Okay, till in this area, seller bought this price till this area, sorry, till this area. Okay, but again buyer took some control, but again undecision was seen here. Finally the candle with hanging man, this is a hanging man candle. Okay, hanging man candle. Okay, once the hanging man candle formation happened, seller start taking the control on this particular stock to take down the price. Okay, here you can see after hanging man the candle started falling. There is no strength with the buyer to take this price up. You need to see the chart in this format. Okay, what the way I am seeing, in this way you need to judge the chart and the support and resistance, or in the channel breakout, whatever may be. Okay, I have given a trade of this in this candle here. Okay, that is, here is 78, it is 3380. Okay, I have given a trade here. Okay, you can see my telegram channel, one second, where I have given a trade. Yes, you can see 3380. I told sell Hero Motocorp, current market price 3380, and stop loss was 3395, that is only 15 point stop loss, and the target I said is here 3314. You can see here 3314 and 3322 was the target. Okay, if it breaks below 3357, right? Okay, now we'll go to chart again. I have given a target of my trade somewhere in this point. Okay, the target has been achieved, that is 3341. Again second target which I have given in this area, but this candle has come near to the second target, but it did not hit my second target and moved up again and closed above the first target. But those who have booked with this first target, they would have booked 39 points in this trade. This is how we judge the candlestick patterns see the candlestick patterns and the support and resistance. Might be some lot of other aspect also I see before giving a trade. Friends, hope this video will help you out how to take the trade and how to do a chart analysis based on multi time frame. If you are seen in 15 minutes time frame, would have been taken a trade because it has the upward trend in the 15 minutes time frame. You have to go the historical with daily chart, hourly chart and weekly chart also, whether you have a strong resistance on that area, judge that and then take a trade. If on that area, resistance area, some buyer is getting back, they are taking their foot in the back side, then seller definitely will take advantage of that and bring the stock price down. Okay, this is how you need to read the chart. Friends, hope you understood my point what I wanted to explain in this. Coming days I'll be sharing all the pattern breakouts, how to take trade on the patterns, how why that pattern forms, all those things in the coming videos, coming days videos I'll be sharing. But daily wise, whatever trade we give, on what basis we are given, those tidbits I'll be sharing in the video format for a learning purpose. Thank you friends, hope everybody understand and understood, and please do not forget to share this video to your trading friends. We'll see you with a new video again. Thank you very much.